Hey guys, thank you for stopping by and welcome back. Here is another video. This time I am showing you how I apply my press-ons that I bought from this store called Icing. It's here in New York City in the Bronx. I'm not sure if they have an online store, but these are the nails I bought for my Christmas outfit. So first, I am just picking the sizes per my nail. You can just line them all up and see which one fits. If it goes over your nail a little bit, you can always file that down a little bit to make it fit perfectly. Everyone's nails is not the same. This is why they give you so many. Also, it's no guarantee that you're going to find them to fit your exact nail. So it doesn't hurt to file them down a little bit. So I have my set of 10. And I seen someone online apply clear nail polish first. So for one nail, I'm going to apply some clear nail polish and see how well it sticks on my nail. Okay, so this is the glue that I'm going to use to put on these nails. These nails do not have the little sticky thing that some nails do have. I don't like those because they slide off as you try to grab things. So I like to get the nails that you have to actually glue on. So I'm using this Kiss glue. It was a quick dry, the quick dry one. And this is the nail polish I'm going to use on one finger. It's just clear nail polish from Sally Hansen. It's called Extreme Wear, but it's just regular clear nail polish. So on one finger I'm going to put it to see how well it works, and then all the other fingers I'm just going to use the regular method of putting glue. Here's the nails icing. This is the case that it came in. Alright, so I am not ambidextrous, but I be trying to file both of my nails and paint both of my nails. I think I kind of perfected it. Okay, so right here, I'm just filing down my nails and buffing my nail bed to make it easier for the nails to stick down with the glue. Alright, so here I am applying the clear nail polish to my thumbnail. While I wait for that to dry, I'm going to start applying all of my other nails. Okay, so all 10 nails are complete. As you can see, this is a look. Very cute, very pretty for Christmas. I'm just going to file down the tips of my nails so they don't feel sharp. Because for some reason, when you take them out the pack, they're kind of sharp. And I don't want to scratch myself or my kids. When I am done with that, I'm complete. You don't have to put any nail polish on top. They are very shiny already. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.